When it comes to sewing, choosing the right fabric is just as important as having the right sewing machine or pattern. The fabric you select can make or break your project, affecting not only the overall look but also the durability and comfort of the finished garment or item. However, with so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and make the wrong choice. So, how can you ensure that you're selecting the right fabric for your sewing project? Let's dive in and explore some essential considerations. Project requirements. First and foremost, consider the requirements of your sewing project. Are you making a dress, a pair of pants, or a quilt? Different projects demand different fabric qualities. For example, a dress may require a fabric with good drape and breathability, while pants might need a sturdy and durable material. Understanding the purpose and function of your creation will guide you in selecting the appropriate fabric. Fabric types. Familiarize yourself with different fabric types and their characteristics. Cotton, linen, silk, wool, polyester, and rayon are just a few examples of widely used fabrics. Each fabric has unique properties, such as stretch, weight, texture, and care instructions. Consider how these qualities align with your project's needs. For instance, if you're making a summer blouse, lightweight cotton or linen would be a suitable choice for comfort and breathability. Weave and texture. The weave and texture of the fabric can greatly impact the final result. Fabrics with a tight weave, such as twill or denim, are ideal for sturdy garments like jeans or jackets. On the other hand, loose weaves like gauze or chiffon create lightweight and flowy garments. Texture also plays a role in the aesthetic appeal and comfort of the finished product. Determine whether you want a smooth, crisp, or textured fabric based on your desired outcome. Print and color. Consider the print and color options available for your chosen fabric. Prints can add personality and style to your project, whether you opt for floral, geometric, or abstract patterns. Consider the scale of the print and how it will look on the final garment or item. Additionally, the color of the fabric should complement the design and purpose of your project. Think about the season, occasion, and personal preferences when selecting a color palette. Care and maintenance. Another crucial factor to consider is the care and maintenance requirements of the fabric. Some fabrics may require dry cleaning, while others can be machine washed. Take into account how much time and effort you're willing to invest in caring for the finished product. If you're a beginner or prefer low-maintenance options, choose fabrics that are easy to care for and won't shrink or fade easily. Test and experiment. Before committing to a large-scale sewing project, it's a good idea to test your chosen fabric. Purchase a small amount and make a sample garment or sew a swatch to see how it behaves. This will give you an opportunity to assess the fabric's properties, such as its stretch, drape, and ease of sewing. Testing will also allow you to determine whether the fabric aligns with your vision for the final product. Seek expert advice. Don't hesitate to seek advice from experienced sewists, fabric store staff, or online sewing communities. They can provide valuable insights, recommend suitable fabrics, and share their own experiences. If you're unsure about a particular fabric's suitability for your project, consult someone with more expertise. Choosing the right fabric for your sewing projects is a skill that develops over time. It requires careful consideration of the project requirements, fabric properties, and personal preferences. Remember to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and embrace the joy of creating with different fabrics. With practice, you'll become more confident in selecting the perfect fabric for each sewing endeavor. Ultimately, the right fabric can elevate your sewing projects from good to exceptional. It can enhance the overall appearance, comfort, and durability of the finished piece. By considering the project requirements, fabric types, weave and texture, print and color, care and maintenance, and conducting tests, you'll be well equipped to make informed choices. Choosing the wrong fabric can result in disappointment and frustration, as it may not meet your expectations or perform as desired. It's worth investing time and effort in selecting the right fabric, as it sets the foundation for a successful sewing project. So, next time you embark on a sewing adventure, take a moment to evaluate the fabric options available to you. Consider how each fabric aligns with your project's needs and vision. Remember, the right fabric is the key to achieving a beautiful, well-fitting, and long-lasting creation. Happy sewing!